English alphabet, capital letters. A for ant. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. Butterfly. C for cat. Cat. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaurs. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nurse. N for nurse. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for van. V for van. W for whale. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, kid, bye.